How to change username on X. Hello everyone, welcome to another tutorial. In this video you'll learn how you can change your username on X. So let's go. The first step is to launch the X app on your mobile device. Move to the top left corner, click on the profile icon, and in the options displayed, just go ahead to open up your profile where you can see your username, and then once you can see this, click on edit profile, and then you have an option for you to edit your name, your bio, and the likes. You can see that on this page you don't have an option for you to change your username, right? So then you go back, click on your profile icon again, scroll down and click on settings and privacy. For the settings and privacy page, select your account, select account information, and you can see username as the first option here, so click on that, and now you can now go ahead to effect your changes. All right, you can add whatever you want to add or remove whatever you want to remove, and if the username is available, that is, if it hasn't been taken by anyone, you would see it should be ticked green as you can see on my screen. So click on done, and then your username would be updated and changed successfully. So that is it. Thank you for watching, and ensure you subscribe and leave a thumbs up for this video. Have a good day.